Hello my friends, and welcome to another clean with me. We are doing a power hour speed clean with me in today's video, as I had 1 hour to get things done. So I had such a long to-do list of just random things to do in my house, and so that is kind of what we are tackling in today's video. We have some mopping and stuff to do, and again we're tackling different areas in the home. So I'm going ahead and setting my timer. I set it for 1 hour and 5 minutes so that I could have an extra 5 minutes to kind of move the camera around and stuff like that. And so yeah, let's go ahead, grab your to-do list, and let's do this together. Okay, so as you can see, my daughter's room was a total disaster, so this was definitely a top priority on my to-do list today. It had been a while since I had actually cleaned her room, like given it a really good clean, so we are going to spend quite a bit of time in here just doing lots of cleaning, wiping down the mirrors and the windowsills and all of that fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and let some music play while we get cleaning together.
It's what you do. Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
So now that I got the top of her dresser cleaned, I'm going ahead and wiping the mirror down and cleaning the dresser as you saw. And so I'm just going to kind of make my way through top to bottom in her room here, moving on into the windowsill really soon. I'm going to clean obviously the windows and the mirrors using some Windex, and then I just used my Tiber River multi-purpose spray here on like the windowsill.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So as you can see, the windowsill was really dusty, so this really needed to be done. It felt so good to get her room this clean. It had been a while since I had again given it a really good clean. So let me know in the comments if you are enjoying the more music in my videos, or if you prefer when I talk a little bit more, as I've been kind of switching things up, and I would love to hear your honest feedback.
Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. your feelings not that long ago.
So as you can see, I am using my vacuum and giving her room just a really quick vacuum before moving on to the next area of our home. As you can see, I still have not made the official purchase for a cordless vacuum yet. Here is the after of my daughter's bedroom. I hope that you guys enjoyed that motivation in her room. If you are new around here, you wouldn't know, but I do use coffee filters when cleaning my mirrors and my windows and stuff. It honestly leaves it totally streak free and I absolutely love it. Now, I did actually lose quite a bit of footage here in my bathroom when I was cleaning it, as I didn't realize that the clips ended up being blurry, so I took them out completely. And so if it kind of looks like a little spotty in my bathroom when I'm cleaning it, that's why. Alright guys, I have about 20 minutes left on my timer, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle my kitchen floors as they are really dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and vacuum and mop, and if I have time, I'm gonna throw in some laundry motivation as well.
I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do, when your trail is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I don't wanna go back.
I am so happy to have gotten the floors done. It honestly felt so good to tackle that off of my to-do list, as they were really bad. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did have 5 minutes left on my timer, but I ended up leaving quickly to go get my daughter. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I knew you were mine. I miss when we were